Birds are singing high, and the squirrels play near. Let's explore the forest, there's fun everywhere.
Come along to the forest so green, where the tallest trees are the tallest you've seen.
I love walking here.
Hop like a rabbit, crawl like a snake. Climb up the hills, make no mistake.
Can you hear the trees whispering? Look! A deer!
Smell all the flowers, dance with the bees. See the deer prance, hear the owls hoot, splash in the stream or play on the root.
Splash, splash! This is fun!
Day turns to night, stars twinkle